Hi, today we are going to make a tactile diagram for different kinds of beaks of different kinds of birds. For this we require a printout of the desired image, 1/4 size of the kg cardboard which is of a little thick quality, a little bit of sand or semolina in a bowl. You can also use a rice powder instead. A glue with a nozzle tip would be preferable, but if you do not have that, you can take a glue on a cup with a stick on it. You require a bindi to make the eyes of the birds. Now to get started, we will take the glue and draw the lines as in the drawing. But before that, I would suggest you practice this on a rough sheet of paper to understand the flow of the glue. Now here we go. Once you are satisfied with the flow of the glue, we will start with our tactile diagram. But before that, let us just stick the image on the kg cardboard. The kg cardboard is ready. Now we will draw a line. Now let me just practice one more time to check if the flow is right. Yes. So we draw a line along the print of the bird. Now here we draw the face and the neck and the beak outline. Make sure the lines are continuous. Well, the bindi is stuck on top of the eye, and then we fill up the beak with little more glue. Once you are done filling the beak with the glue, sprinkle the semolina on top of the beak and gently press it to set the semolina with the glue. Then discard the remaining semolina back into the bowl. Make sure the edges are smooth and it has got the correct shape that you desire. Pour some more glue on top of the beak to set the sand or semolina firmly on the paper. Now this is a completed sample, the dried out one. In this beak, I have used rice powder, so which is more fine in texture. So after the glue dries, you can check for any edges if there is little more of rice powder or semolina you need to add. You can also make the eye using the glue, using Fevicol. Feel along the path which you created with your eyes closed. Ensure there is a continuity in the line and fill up the remaining bird. Complete the remaining drawings. So this is how it is. A cone-shaped beak. This is a pointed beak, a cone-shaped beak, and this is the hooked beak. The best is to close your eyes and feel along the lines how it is.